Director General of Police jong jinglah ka kong ida sisya nongrang kalakren syai ba Katnat pulit kanam ailad baka HNLC kan pyni ka jingkhang bor jong ka DGP ka kong ida sisya kalaong ba Katnat pulit jong jinglah kan trishtom ban khanglat ikino kino jingtmu jong ka New Trib National Liberation Council ban pyni ka jingdon ni ka jinglah jong ka jingkren jong DGP kawan habakali habai de ke jingbu bom IED ke HNLC hajan ka Meghalaya rural bang hayo umsning dangshen kala berabru da ka baong ba ke HNLC kan persang ban pyni ya ka jingdon ber ke jinglah jongka rai Katnat kan tresitom ban pek ba kino ki jinglah jongka kinam la ban pun urlang kala berabru da ka baong ba ke jingkhang kadang pli ban iakren yesuk da ka baong ba lengba ke jingsuk kinla ban poi sha ka suk shong sai.
Where HNLC is concerned, I think I would like to reserve my comments. They have their grouses, they have their reasons, and government has made it clear numerous times that the door is always open for negotiations. But HNLC should also realize that unless there's a negotiated agreement in the system that we are in the country that we are in, it's not going to work. Violence it's not the answer.
But considering their activities, we have seen the police managed to prevented that bomb in Umsning recently. How do you see this sprung of illegal activities of the?
Well, they obviously would be trying to make sure that their presence is known and that that they still have the capabilities. We are trying our best to ensure that those capabilities are not demonstrated.
Okay. Thank you for your time.